Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this simple X and texture it also in Blender. I'm going to first model this X in Blender and then I'm going to texture this X in Blender. So let's start. So first I'm going to import the image. So right click or press Shift A, image, reference, and select the reference image. So this is our reference image. I'm going to move it little bit backwards. Okay, move it little bit backwards like this. Then I'm going to create this shape. So go in add mesh and select UV sphere, and then what you have to do it, we have to move the sphere here like this, turn on the X-ray mode, and then we have to scale it little bit like this, then move it little bit here, move it little bit here like this, and then go in edit mode, select vertex, click on this top vertex, press 0, press O to turn on this. Well, if I press O, the proportional editing is turned on by pressing 0, by pressing O, and then we have to press G. Okay, control 0 to reduce, press O, and then press O, and then move it little bit upward like this, and then we have to scale it while pressing O, and hold this, scale it little bit like this. Turn on this, turn off this, and scale it little bit like this also. So this is our X shape. Now for texturing. For texturing, go in object mode, right click and for right click this object and create shade smooth. Click on shade smooth. So this is our egg. For texturing, press U. Go in UV texture like this. Here, UV editing. Select the face. Press A. Go in X view. Right click. Press U and project from view. So we have something like this here. For texture, assign new material. Click base color, image texture, and open the texture like this. So we have something like this. So select this and scale it little bit here like this. So we have something like this. So turn on the texture mode here. Go in layout, texture mode. Click here. Turn on the roughness and increase the metallic. So we have something like this. So for this, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Press it here. Keep it here. Again Ctrl D to duplicate. Y axis and keep it here. Then Shift D and press X axis, Y axis. Okay, delete. Control D, press Z axis. Control R to repeat. Go in UV editor, select this A, keep it here. Here also select this, go in object, go in edit mode, select this A, move it little bit here. For this, select this object, go in edit mode, face, select this A and move it little bit here. Go in object mode, select this object, go in edit mode, select this face A, move it little bit here. Go in object mode, select this object, go in edit mode, select this face A and just keep it over here. Select this object, go in object mode, select this object, go in edit mode, face, select this face A, keep it here. Go in object mode, select this object, go in edit mode, select this face A, keep it here. Go in object mode, select this object, go in edit mode A and just keep it here. So go in layout mode now. So we have something like this. So this is our model. So this is a quick way to model this X and texture it in Blender. So this is the reference which I was using and this is our models. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.